If you're just starting a new business, I know there is no shortage of business advice out there. Where to start? Do you need a tax ID? Deciding on permits and licenses if needed. What are you going to call it, etc. There's like so much stuff, right? And oftentimes an actual business plan gets lost in the shuffle, yet it's the roadmap for your business possibilities. It's an absolute must to have a plan. Doesn't mean that you can't deviate from the plan along the way, but you need a path forward, a plan that will be something that you will actually use and guide decisions and measure your success as well. Like throwing a party without an agenda. If you're running a business without a plan, you won't know in what direction you're headed. A well-organized business plan should be simple, flexible, and manageable. A well-written business plan declares your business's vision as well as the steps to achieve that vision. Small business owners or new entrepreneurs are often intimidated when it comes to writing a business plan, thinking it's uber complicated or simply unnecessary. Nothing could be further from the truth. In this video, I'm going to share 5 reasons why a business plan is a must and not a step that you want to skip over. One of the main things a business plan can do is give you a clear objective of how you can succeed. It helps you get clear about your goals and how to achieve them. It can also help you define your marketing strategies and marketing tools required to make it happen. In short, it helps you establish the how in terms of how you are going to make it happen. A business plan also gives you a plan. It can outline your action items. A good business plan is like a good game plan in the sporting world. No professional athlete or coach would enter into a contest without a good game plan. How are you supposed to win the game without a plan? It's the same in the business world. You don't want to enter into a business without a good game plan on how you can succeed. Those who fail to plan to fail. We've all heard this quote before, and it's so true. If you fail to plan, you will most likely plan to fail. That's not saying you can't be successful without a plan, but those who take the time to write down a plan are far more likely to succeed. And a business plan can be a reality check. Sometimes when working out a business plan, you can begin to see the flaws in your plan. You may actually start to see errors in what you are trying to do. Also, your numbers may not add up once you write them down on paper. In other words, identifying gaps early on in the planning process can give you a chance to rethink some strategies and shore up your research. This may seem like a step back, but it can help you in the long term. Last but certainly not least, a plan gives you the best possible chance at success. Once you have a written plan down on paper, it will make for a smoother startup period and fewer problems. It will help you define your target and marketing goals. It also helps you pay attention more to the details and things like marketing and budgeting. Having a detailed plan can also help you in dealing with investors and bank financing. Banks always want to see a detailed business plan before giving out a loan or a line of credit. In closing, a business plan is essential if you're thinking about starting a business. By also reviewing your business plan, you can see what goals you have accomplished, what changes need to be made, and what new direction your company needs to make.